If I could ask each of you just to reflect for a moment on recruitment and retention, whether or not this move back to the office has had any impact at all on employees staying with you or your ability to recruit new ones. I wonder if you can comment on that. Dr. Attia.
This is exactly why actually I'm contributing, because on the face of it, all the three of us, we look like we are in a service industry, but the niche fundamentals are totally different. In logistics, you need precision, you need collaboration, visibility immediately, in person and in contact. That's why the government gave us a special permission in COVID for my staff to be at our offices because we move the goods you consume as consumers. We move it from manufacturers who have limited ability to deliver during COVID, before or after. I need my mechanics to be on my yard. I need my customer service to be based in the office to be able to communicate internationally. And as a matter of fact, our KPIs suffered during COVID only because of remote workers. And we measured it because we found innovations and mentoring and training cannot be done with Zoom. And all the people who joined us were very happy that we are actually there with them, one-to-one, over a coffee break, during a crisis shipment, during misrouting. The field is different. Logistics and manufacturing, which we are in, needs people committed there and then. We had two of my staff suffering mental health issues during COVID because they felt lonely. They start confusing their working hours with their social hours, and they used to go to their computers at 12 o'clock at night, not to miss an email that they missed during the day because they didn't feel like sitting down or changing from their pajama into a suit. So we had that practically. That's why I said initially that I'm here to give you the real world perspective. I am not a politician and I will not color my words. We need to deal with people as people. Human beings are social animals. We interact and we learn together and we grow and innovate together. A Zoom screen like this, with all respect, connect devices, but it doesn't connect strategy. It doesn't connect morality training or anything. That is why when we came back strong, and we managed to create stronger strategy, and every single, but even accounts, which we thought one day that is an easy job to do remotely. Okay. They felt lonely. They needed to interact. They had to come one day with an excuse to have paperwork, and then 2 days because they discovered that they didn't have the complete paperwork, and then a third day to discuss. And I found them coming themselves 5 days a week.